Hi everyone, myself A.K. Mugdum, working as lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department SIT Polytechnic Kedra. Today in this session, we conduct the experiment 5 and 6 of advanced manufacturing process. This experiment, which is related to the wire EDM process, which is actually having the experiment which is observed in an industry. So from my side, I visit that industry where that actually machine is available and give the video regarding that wire EDM process. So in this wire EDM process, first of all, we discuss there is the basic function of wire EDM process. Here, same principle like a EDM process. Here also, there is the spark will be takes place, but only the instead of electrode in this process, they are using the wire. So how it is actually works? First of all, this one is the wire supply wheel, which is continuously fed the wire through this roller, which is connected to the negative terminal of a generator. Next one is this one is a gas injecting or maybe the dielectric fluid, which is continuously injected in the region of where wire which is coming to contact with the workpiece surface. Next, another one, this electrode which is connected to the workpiece, which is a positive terminal. And one more important thing in a EDM process and wire EDM process, that is the workpiece material, which is having a important property, that is a good conductor of electricity. That property or that characteristic of a workpiece material, which is very important. Then and then only it is efficiently we use the EDM and wire EDM process, because there is the, if we transfer the electricity through that workpiece material, it should be a conduct that electricity, and then only we create the or produce the spark in the region of where actually electrode and the workpiece which are maintain the specified distance, and there is that spark which will be helpful for removing the material from that surface. Next, one more thing, there is the wire guides, which is the bottom at the workpiece is available, and wire take-off wheel means use the wire which is wound up in this wire take-off wheel continuously. So in this wire EDM process, there are so many important factors or parameters are there. First of all, there is the wire tension, that is a very important parameter for this wire EDM process. Another one, there is the important parameter is the wire speed, that is also very important parameter. Next, there is the which type of wire you are using for this machining process, that is also very important. And next, voltage, current, that factors or that parameter also greater impact at the time of machining of wire EDM process. So this much about the construction of this wire EDM process. Next, how it is actually works. Here, in this workpiece surface, there is the one previously drilled hole which is available. Through that hole, we are passing this wire and connect to this wire take-off wheel. Next, then this terminal, that is a negative terminal which is connected to the wire, and positive terminal which is connected to the workpiece surface. And what profile you want to manufacture that workpiece, according to that program is fed to that table itself. According to that, table starts moving and generate the profile over the workpiece surface. So at the same time, this wire which is a move according to that profile, whatever the program is fed to that machine itself, and create the profile surface over that workpiece surface. So in this way, there is the principle is same. Here, wire and the workpiece which is having a certain gap between them, and at the gap there is the spark will be takes place, and that spark which is helpful for removing the metal from that workpiece surface, and due to which in this way there is the continuous removing the material from that workpiece surface, and at the end whatever the profile you want to manufacture, that profile which will be easily generated with the help of this wire EDM process. So this much about the construction and working of this wire EDM process. Let us we visit to that Microtech Engineering Works, Shahu Industrial Estate, Jaishampur. In that industry, this type of setup is available. If anybody have a nearby to that industry, you individually also visit to that industry and observe that same machining. But it is difficult to everyone visit to that industry due to this pandemic situation. So I will provide you in this session also. There is the live video of this wire EDM machining processes. So due to which what will be happen, experiment number 5 and 6, both the experiments are covered under this session. So these are the different videos. YouTube links are available. You can visit to that YouTube videos or links also. Let us we observe the video which is taking in the Microtech Engineering Works Jaishampur, and you getting the clear brief idea about the how it is actually works in an industry. Let us observe the video. Hello everyone. Today in this session we conduct the experiment number 4 and 5, that is experimental setup of wire EDM process. Actually here one job is there. There is a rubber bush die we are manufacturing over this machine. This experiment we are conducting in the Microtech Engineering Services, Jaishampur, Shahu Industrial Estate. So today with our expert of this programming of this wire EDM machining process, Mr. Janwade sir with us. They told us the various specification of this wire EDM machining process, as well as how the machining will be carried out for the wire EDM process. So I request Janwade sir to give the detailed specification of the wire EDM machining process.
Okay. Hello everyone. हे जे आहे हे EDM वायर कट आहे, इलेक्ट्रिक डाय स्पार्क मशीन, आणि हे जे काम करतं ते एकदम ॲक्युरेसीमध्ये मायक्रॉनमध्ये काम करतं. हे मशीनमध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या प्लॅस्टिक मोल्डिंग डाईज, रबर मोल्डिंग डाईज, प्रेसच्या डाईज, जे ॲक्युरेसीमध्ये जे काय लागतं ते सगळ्या प्रकारचं मशीनिंग इथं वायर कटिंगवर केलं जातं. ही जी मशीन आहे ही मशीन सोडिक जापनीज कंपनीची आहे, सोडिक म्हणून आहे. याच्यामध्ये जे काय प्रॉपरली यूज होतं ते म्हणजे 0.5 mm याच्यात वायर यूज केली जाते. ही ब्रास वायर असते आणि ही प्लेन हार्ड असे वायर वापरली जाते ह्या मशीनसाठी. आणि त्यानंतर याचं जे आपल्याला जे ड्रॉईंग असतं ते ड्रॉईंग आपल्या बाहेर पीसी आहे, त्या पीसीवर प्रोग्रामिंग केलं जातं, त्याचं ड्रॉईंग बनवलं जातं ऑटोकॅडवर. आणि ते ड्रॉईंग ज्या प्रकारे दुसऱ्यांना लागतं, जे पार्टीला लागतं त्याप्रमाणे ड्रॉईंग बनवलं जातं. आणि ते ड्रॉईंग नंतर मग ते घेऊन पेनड्राईव्ह वाईज घेऊन मशीनच्या सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये दिलं जातं. आणि त्या सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये मशीनच्या कन्वर्ट करून ते ड्रॉईंग मशीनमध्ये ओपन करून त्याप्रकारे ते मशीन ते ड्रॉईंग रन करतं. ते करत असताना ते मशीनचं कंट्रोल बोर्ड आहे. याच्यामध्ये मशीनमध्ये इनवर्डला ड्रॉईंग घेतलं जातं, हे याच्या सॉफ्टवेअरमध्ये कन्वर्ट केलं जातं. आणि त्यानंतर त्या मशीनचं जे काय सेटिंग असतं ते जॉब वगैरे लावणे, त्याचं इनलाईन करणे, ते वायर एंट्रीसाठी त्याला एक होल दिलं जातं. प्रॉपरली एक होल मारलं जातं पहिला वायर एंट्री.
This hole is a previously drilled hole which is required at the initial stage of the machining of a wire EDM process. So this hole which is a compulsory required for every machining of the component, because without hole we cannot pass the wire through that component, and there is the machining is difficult. So that's why every component of a wire EDM process, that is a previously drilled hole is required for the machining process.
हा जॉब करत असताना हा जॉब जो काय आहे तो इनलाईन लावला जातो, टॉप इनलाईन वगैरे लावलं जातं, त्याला रेफरन्स दिलं जातं आणि मशीन रेफरन्स असतं. त्या जे काय वायर एंट्री होल आहे त्या होलपासून त्याचं प्रोग्राम दिलं जातं.
All the machine references are given through this control unit, means X direction, Y direction, Z direction, how much height is required, how much distance you want to travel, that all directions. Here there are the X, Y, Z, U, V. These all axes are showing over here. These are all the directions which are given over this control panel, and then afterwards we can set positioning means what? We can control this axis and position the job over that machine itself.
हे मशीन करत असताना ह्या मशीनला 5 ॲक्सिस असतात, एक्स वाय यू व्ही झेड. आपण जर प्लेन कटिंग करायचं असेल तर एक्स वायमध्येच फक्त कटिंग करतो आणि झेड जे काय झेड आपण थिकनेसला जॉब लावलेला असतो त्याप्रमाणे झेड ठेवले जाते. आणि हे मशीनिंग होत असताना त्याला DM वॉटर वापरलं जातं. याला कुठलंही कुलंट वापरलं जात नाही. DM वॉटर मीन्स डिस्टिल्ड वॉटर, शुद्ध पाणी, त्याचं हार्डनेस कमी केलेलं असतं, ते पाणी इथं यूज होतं. आणि हे
That water means nothing but a dielectric fluid which is used in this wire EDM process.
नॉट ए ऑइल.
Dielectric fluid.
हां म्हणजे DM वॉटर. त्यानंतर ह्याला प्रोग्राम देऊन त्याप्रमाणे जे काय साईज असते त्याप्रमाणे हे कटिंग होतं.
एक मिनिट ना सर.
चालू कर.
चालतं. And which is connected to the positive terminal of a machine. And one negative terminal which is connected to that electrode surface. So due to the positive and negative terminal, there is a spark will be takes place at that region whenever that workpiece which is come into contact with that electrode wire, and due to which there is a spark will be takes place. And that spark which is helpful for removing the material, because high heat will be produced in the region of where the actually spark will be takes place, and due to that heat there is a continuous material which is removed from that workpiece surface. Here we are set the wire tension also, because wire tension also important parameter in the wire EDM process, because if the wire tension unnecessarily exceeds, in that case so many times there may be a chances of to cut the wire. So that's why it is very important to set the wire tension at the initial stage of a machining process, because which type of a wire we are using for the machining. Basically there is the copper wires are also available, brass wires are also available. Here in this machining process we are generally used as a brass wire for the machining process. Here we first of all set the wire tension, then afterwards start the machining. According to the whatever the positioning commands we are given at the initial stage, the machine which is move at that reference position, then afterwards we run the program according to the which component we want to manufacture or generate over that machine. According to that we are call the program and start the program over that machine. First step, that is wire which is come at a center of that hole, then afterwards actually machining which is started. All of you observe this. Within a 2 to 3 minutes this machining will be start. All of you observe the window of this wire EDM machine. Here one pen drive is attached to this machine. With that pen drive we already prepared the drawing with the help of AutoCAD software. Over that AutoCAD software there is a DLS format. We are given the input to this machine, and once we are given the drawing to this machine itself, there is a internally this machine which will be converting that drawing within its own format, and then afterwards prepare the program according to that job drawing, and then afterwards we are converting this job of that program actually run over that wire EDM machining process. Once we convert the program within the format of this machine, then we start the machining over the wire EDM process. Actually in this process there is the program is prepared with the help of this machining itself according to the job drawing. Actually this is the machining component or machining surface is there. Means over the die surface we want to machine this shape of the component over that circular component, and then afterwards this is die is prepared for the further application.
To start the machining.
Here we start the machining. Press the start button over here. Then there is the dielectric reservoir which is come outside, and there is the flushing inside the reservoir of that wire EDM machining process, and we can store the dielectric fluid into that wire EDM process, and both the electrode or maybe the wire and the workpiece both are submerged into that dielectric fluid. Continuously that dielectric fluid goes on increasing into that tank. Both the workpiece and the wire both are submerged into that dielectric fluid. So this is actually start the machining. Once we press the start the machining, there is a dielectric fluid which is enter into that tank, and both the wire and the workpiece are submerged. Then there is actually machining is start. Here all of you observe there is a spark will be takes place in the region of here. All of you observe this. There is a small spark will be takes place. All of you observe this spark which is taken place at the region of workpiece and the wire. Here, what is the principle of this wire EDM process? Here, workpiece which is connected to the negative terminal, and the electrode which is passing through the nearby of a carbon material is there. Through that carbon material, that electrode wire which is touched to that carbon surface, and due to which that wire which is connected to the negative terminal, and workpiece which is connected to the positive terminal. Why workpiece is connected to the positive terminal? Because we want to remove the material from that workpiece surface, so that's why always positive terminal which is connected to the workpiece surface, and negative terminal which is connected to the electrode or maybe the wire. Here this is a wire which is passing through this carbon strip is there inside of this particular portion, and that carbon strip which is helpful for connecting this wire with a negative terminal of the machine. So in this way actually machining is carried out. Here all of you observe the spark between that electrode, wire and the workpiece, due to which that spark there is actually machining is carried out and removing the material from that workpiece surface. Here continuous spark will be takes place. Actually what is the condition? P on and P off. These are the two concepts of this machine is there. Whenever the P on is there, actually spark will be takes place, and whenever the P off is there, there is the idle position of the electrode is there. In that case there is the no spark will be takes place in that region. So in this way there is the continuous spark will be takes place and removing the material from that surface itself. So this is the principle of this wire EDM process. How the machining is carried out here, we fed the program to that machine. According to that drawing profile, we are prepared the program in this machine. That program is given to this machine itself, and according to that, there is the surface profile which is generated over that component. Here there is the wire bundle or wire we are using continuously, which is fed towards that component. Here to maintaining the tension of that wire, there are so many rollers are available which are continuously fed the wire, and there is the wire speed is also important parameter for this machining, and that wire which is continuously passing through over that workpiece surface and removing the certain quantity of material at the time of spark will be takes place in the region of that workpiece component. So this is the actual working methodology which is used for the wire EDM process. With the help of that wire EDM, actually there are so many precise job we are manufactured over here. This is the one sample of a previously manufactured job is there. Here how much precision of the component we are maintain over here. All of you observe here, this is the shape of the component where there is the closed shape. Actually we directly, there is a gap between, there is a very small gap we are maintained between that workpiece and the raw material component. So this type of a precise component we are easily manufactured with the help of, there is the different die shapes. Here one more component is there. All of you observe this component is also here. All of you observe the different cavities of a die we are manufactured with the help of wire EDM process. These are the various components we are prepared over this type of Sodic LQ33W, this machine which is used for this type of component of machining. So this much about the today's visit. So this much all about the visit regarding wire EDM process to the Microtech Engineering Works, Jaisimpur, Shahu Industrial Estate. So these are the some glimpses of visit which is conducted at the time of that industry. Some glimpses are available. So anybody have doubts regarding this industrial visit explanation, you contact me, I will explain. So next one is the practical handouts. I will provide the practical handouts. You complete these practical handouts related to whatever the photographs and all that things which are available and related information to that industry itself. You complete the visit report within a specified format of industrial visit. So this much about the experiment number 5 and 6 of wire EDM process. Thank you very much.